Come on, cows, let's go. It's time to get out of here. Come on. We'll get you where it's a little warmer. Come on. Good morning, everybody. Today should be our last big day of riding, other than going after some stragglers a day here and there. But today we're trailing about 220 head down 13-14 miles out of the hills. So the majority of this group are the cows that we trailed down from Cheyenne Crossing. Went 15 miles that other day. That was about 2 weeks ago now, and they've been in here in our private ground. So we dumped them in about 4.5 miles to the south into our private, and then they've kind of been making their way to the northernmost point of this pasture. Yesterday we rode that pasture down to the south and got everything that hadn't come down here headed this way. So they should all be here. We know a handful of them are over in a pasture that's parallel to this. And once we get these headed down the road, my dad's gonna go back and get those. So hopefully we can get them all. We're bound to miss a few, but we'll get them in the weeks to come. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe. We've also got some merchandise available. This is one of the styles of hats. We've got 2 different styles. I'm really happy with how they turned out. Then we've got one style of t-shirt. I'll put this hood back on because I'm cold. But if that's something you guys are interested, there's a link in my channel bio and also in the description of this video, so go check it out. And if you already got some merch, thank you guys, we really appreciate that. But anyway, let's get to work. Come on. Jack and I have been saying our feet are cold.
I think my toes have turned into popsicles.
Toe popsicles? Yeah, it sure feels like it. I don't know how cold it is up here, but we're guessing it's colder than 20 degrees. Maybe 15, 18, I don't know. But it's chilly.
Started off, what, 28 up by the pickup.
Yep.
And I bet it's dropped.
Oh yeah, 10 degrees at least, probably.
It's coming way back down in here.
So hopefully that sun peeks out and hits our faces, warms us up. That'll be nice.
To get some toe warmers or something.
Yeah, I know. Seriously. Come on, girls. Where are you going, you fat cow? Come on. Come on, chubby wubby. Yeah, when we got up here this morning, most of the cows were just waiting for us at the gate. When it gets cold, they know it's time to come home. So a lot of them were just waiting for us. Quite a few we still had to go right out and make sure we got them all. Looks like the rest of the crew is bringing some down this valley. Let's see if I can go give them a hand.
They'd come back and I'd be like, did you get your extra taco? They'd say, I didn't know what to do. I was like, well, go back and get it.
This is how you learn.
Where'd Dad go?
I lost Eleanor.
Oh, you did? Where'd she go?
Well,
Want me to go find
hug the north fence because I know north is the way home, and
that's where
so
Dad's
we had
yelling?
a group split, and I went after one group and she followed the other.
On the fence? On that?
Well, she was on the fence, but I thought she'd come out into this draw over here, and I thought I'd meet her there, and she never came out there.
Oh, huh.
But
At least she didn't lose Nate.
East and they're wanting to go north.
We're more worried about Nate.
I feel bad losing Eleanor.
I could go look for her.
Dad's over there looking.
I can hear him shouting. Did you hear him?
I think they have those cows.
They must have quite
I
a
can
few.
hear the cows up there. So.
You can hear them? See, I don't know
Yeah,
if
I
it's
can hear them back up there.
I don't know if it's echoing or cow.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, Dad must.
I'll go
Well,
over
last
there.
time
And
Brittany asked you to babysit.
I know.
yeah.
Send her daughter with me, and I lose her out in the woods.
Looks like you got a whole bunch, Eleanor.
What?
Looks like you got a whole bunch.
Yeah, just a little bit.
My mom was worried she lost you.
Huh?
My mom's worried she lost you.
Oh. Well, I tried to push them over a ridge and they weren't about it.
Yeah. She'll be happy to see you. Let's go. Come on, calf. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Come on. Come on. Turn around, calf. Through the gate. Let's go. Through the gate, calf. What's that?
Have you seen any gimpy ones?
I haven't.
Last year?
No. Yeah, that slow. Slow cow, calf. Come on. How many you think?
It was about 230.
Oh, there was?
That's
Yes, sir.
a few
Yeah.
strays though.
What's that?
There's a few strays though.
Few strays. How many
Oh,
should there be?
Not an accurate count though.
Not an accurate count.
But
How m-
that was a pretty decently rough count.
Yeah, how many should there be? 250? Oh,
60.
okay.
How many are
More than
you
I thought.
getting now?
Get out of there. Come on. Come on, calves, let's go. Come on, quit eating. Come on. Get back on the road. Let's go. Come on. Hey. Come on. Almost out of the hills. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We noticed a whole bunch of dead geese, Canadians, on the side of the hill. They look clean. I think somebody breasted them out, but I don't know. Somebody must just be cleaning them. A whole bunch of them. Just kind of strange. I have to call the game warden and tell him. Come on, let's go. Get. Come on. Go on. Get out of here. I know, it's nice grass. Come on. Can eat when we're there. Come on. So about on the edge of the hills here, we've got a gate on the road that the cows can't get over. We're through. And we have them held up here so nothing gets too far ahead of everything else. But my grandma and Damaris came up, they're gonna open the gate watch a bunch of driveways for us till we get them where they're going. So they're just letting everything get caught up, and then they'll open that gate and start letting the cows through. Morning, Grandma. Hey, babe. I don't think so. I don't know how far back he is. He went to Beaver Creek to get a group. Yeah. I don't know how long he'll be. Yeah, we could try and call him. How are you, babe?
I just told you I can't breathe.
Can't breathe?
No.
Got the pregnancy congestion?
Got the allergies too.
Oh, the allergies.
Yeah.
Break it up. Come on. Get.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey!
Get. Come on. Let's go. Come on, you two. Come on, let's go. Get. Come on. Come on, calves. Hey. Just get. Come on, calf. Get through there. Hey. Hey. Turn around. Get through the fence. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Thanks, Nate. That's how it's done. Get out of here. There we go. Good grief. Getting a workout, Eleanor.
I am. I'm like a dog.
Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Good work, babe. You chase them. You just faced off all 4 of the bulls. Where are you going? Come on. Come on, stay on the road. We are just about there. We're gonna turn off the road through a gate, go up into that top flat stuff over there. Just another mile or so and we'll be done. But this last 4 miles, it's really slow because it's all kind of gradual uphill. The cows have been going slow. Some of them are getting really tired. They want to lay down. Can't really blame them. It got pretty warm actually. So we're about there though. We'll be done soon. Come on, I know you're tired. Let's go. Yeah. Just a little further. Come on. Come on, almost there. Let's go. A couple of the neighbors. Come on. Come on, calf. Stop eating. We're almost there. Get. Hey. Hey. Get. Come on, calf. Come on. Come on, let's go. Get moving. Come on, bull. Let's go. Get over there with the rest of them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, last ones. Let's go, calves. There we go. We made her. Did you get a good count? No.
Dad learned a long time ago not to let me count.
Oh.
What?
Only 2 more pastures to go.
Yeah, we're halfway there.
Yeah,
I got a count. I thought it was a good count, but it's not the same count Dad had coming out.
Oh, it'll be all right. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're the right one. Well, it feels really good to have those cows home, have everything out of the hills. As of now, we're only short 7 pair or so. We were short about 15. We got a whole bunch from the neighbors who were just rounding up. And then we got 2 bulls that actually really cooperated and weren't bad at all to get. And then one of our other neighbors is just gonna start rounding up now. So there could very easily be our last 6-7 pair in with his, which is pretty good for us by the 1st of November. That's pretty good to be only short that much. But anyway, thank you guys for coming along today. Really do appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.